As the African sun rises on a new day, across the continent, lives are being changed. A new season of growth and prosperity is being driven by engineering and scientific-centered projects that are transforming the landscape. Steel girders reach for the sky, and new hope touches the hearts of all who call Africa home. At the forefront of this change and transformation stands Gibb. For over half a century, Gibb, one of Africa's largest international, multidisciplinary engineering and science consulting companies, has been changing people's lives. Through strategic partnerships with clients and an intimate understanding of their needs, Gibb takes pride in providing simple yet effective solutions. Gibb is reaching across the continent and today maintains local offices in selected major cities and towns across sub-Saharan Africa. At each of these offices, skilled, passionate and innovative engineers and scientists are making their positive impact felt across Africa as well as further afield. Gibb's reputation is built on the pillars of technical excellence, exceptional knowledge and experience, service delivery, and continued improvement. Our greatest legacy is a recognition of excellence from our clients and the communities upon which we impact. The efforts of our staff have always contributed hugely to the Gibb record of success. However, we must also give recognition to our partners. It is through associations and long-term strategic partnerships that we are earning a reputation for timely and efficient completion of even the most challenging of projects. Effective project management is indeed one of our core strengths. With our roots firmly planted in the soil of Africa, Gibb embraces the ethos that has and still is driving transformation. Gibb has become a champion and agent of transformation by being the first company in its sector to create a broad-based Black economic empowerment scheme for its employees, where the majority of the ownership is vested in the hands of Black staff members. Gibb has also more than doubled in size over the last few years, a testament to the principles of empowerment and the commitment of its people. At Gibb, the activities in our sectors of expertise are a beacon of professionalism and inspiration in providing excellent outcomes-based solutions. Our power and energy services sector focuses on power generation, transmission, energy management, renewable energy and the petrochemical industry. Through these activities, Gibb is bringing the convenience and social benefit of electricity to communities where there was none, and at the same time powering the economic growth of the continent. Our building services sector assists developers, project managers, quantity surveyors and architects in the building sector arena. Gibb provides consulting-related services in the fields of electrical systems, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and associated energy management in line with global green building initiatives. Africa's roads and highway sector is the veins and arteries of the continent's industry, and our engineers are today providing answers in the arena of roads and highways optimization, focusing on geometrics, pavements and bridges associated with the major roads. In keeping with Gibb's commitment as an active partner in the upgrading of South Africa's transportation infrastructure, our traffic and transportation sector focuses on traffic studies, transport planning and policy by giving advice and guidance to developers and government institutions to ensure that transportation modes are integrated and effective. Keeping Africa's freight and people movement efficient is further achieved through the leading expertise of our railways engineering team. Our aim is to move people safely across the African skies. Through our airport engineering and aviation services sector, we offer a multidisciplinary approach to address client requirements in specialist areas such as airports, runways and taxiways, lighting, safety and security systems, terminals and parking design, environmental services, and traffic and intermodal transportation studies. To ensure that the current generation leaves a proud legacy for those to come, our environmental services sector is on hand to offer consultancy services in various fields of environmental science and environmental engineering. Addressing one of the most pressing needs of our time, the Gibb Human Settlement sector advises government and other role players on what is needed to build safe, integrated and sustainable communities across Africa. This sector focuses on all aspects related to communities such as housing and basic service provision, which includes clean water, sanitation, electricity supply, and solid waste management. It is said that Africa's most precious commodity is neither gold nor diamonds, but rather water and the preservation of this scarce resource. We are all responsible to protect this life-enhancing resource. Gibb is contributing to these conservation efforts through our dams, hydropower, and underground works sector. Our focus in this sector is on water resources management, dams, bulk water conveyance, tunneling, and hydropower plants. Through our advisory services sector, Gibb is also able to offer clients in all sectors advisory services related to financial matters, project advisory, economic and financial modeling, capital investment, public-private partnership, and logistics management. With Gibb expertise housed in our mining and metallurgy service sector, the future contribution of mining to changing the lives of communities across South Africa is assured. We prepare feasibility studies as well as the development, design, construction and management of mining-related projects. Together with our partners, we are also able to assist our clients with procurement aspects in the development of their needs. Our clients get the benefit of one-stop shop services as Gibb, through our multidisciplinary approach, is able to combine our expertise and deal with most aspects of project delivery while maintaining a high standard of quality throughout the project value chain. The impact that Gibb is having on Africa's progress can clearly be seen in the form of our mega projects such as the Gautrain, Sunrail's Gauteng Freeway Improvement Program, Eskom's multi-billion rand upgrade program, the Cosmo City Integrated Housing Initiative, various airport upgrades, as well as a number of projects related to the 2010 Soccer World Cup. The landscape of Cape Town will never be the same due to the presence of the picturesque Greenpoint Stadium next to one of our other major flagship projects, the Cape Waterfront. Our involvement and guidance is changing the face of Africa and the lives of its many citizens. Progressive African-related projects such as the Greater Port Harcourt City development in the Niger Delta in Nigeria is also driving our expansion into the continent. Gibb is well underway with a feasibility study for the Kabompo hydroelectric scheme in Zambia, as well as the Metalong Dam and Water Supply Program in Lesotho, which should see some further developments within the Southern African Development Community. In Botswana, Gibb has become one of the trusted partners responsible for improving the lives of the Botswana people. While Gibb may be on the cutting edge of evolving technology, when it comes to our myriad list of projects, we also have a very big heart and an ethos of giving back to the community whenever possible. We always strive to identify any opportunity to further uplift the communities within the vicinity of our projects in meaningful and measurable ways. While our corporate social investment commitment is a recognized cornerstone of the Gibb values, we consider it an honor and a labor of love, which brings as much joy to us as to those who benefit from it. As engineers and scientists of a brighter future, Gibb has garnered many awards during our flourishing lifespan. The awards are a testament to the fact that we deliver on our ultimate goal of changing the lives of all people in Africa. We have been honored with a wide variety of accolades and are proud of the fact that we receive regular recognition for excellence both from within our company and the industry as a whole. When the sun sets on another day in Africa, those who are the heart and soul of Gibb, our employees and clients, will know, appreciate, and recognize that together we do more than build structures. We are building nations. At Gibb, we change lives.